Welcome to an unboxing. Yeah, what's up, everybody? So, gonna open up this little Silver Series 6 car set here that you can find at Hobby Lobby or Barnes and Noble for a bit of a high price, or if you're lucky enough to find it at Ross, you can get it for $6. So essentially, getting it for $1 a piece. Each car $1 a piece. The Silver Series car, if you find it at Ross for the discounted price, like I did. But we're gonna open this up, and I'm not sure if there's supposed to be like a racing theme, because these four got like the numbers on them, but the last two, I don't know. That's my best guess as to the theme of it. Maybe it's a racing themed set, but yeah, it's my best theory on that. Or just European cars, I guess, maybe also. Alright, cool, yeah. I'll try to be able to put this back in afterwards. Awesome. So, cool. And keep the box intact. So it's got that nice little flap in the window. So that's cool. So we will just work our way up the thing here. Start with this Alfa right here. Get that one out. So this is the Alfa Romeo Competition. Plastic base. Got the front detail looking alright. Yeah, that back looks pretty good though. Yeah. So, I don't know if that really fits the Silver Series so much, but yeah, it's a nice little Silver Series set. Pretty good roller. Probably worked pretty good on the track. And then we've got the Koenigsegg Gemera HCT01 plastic base as well, and like completely like blacked out windows. There is an interior though, because there's like a little hole here on the driver's side, so there is an interior in there. See the seat in there, but you just can't really see it though. So that's unfortunate. And there's the back. And there's the front side. Yeah, this is okay. Matchbox definitely does better on the Gemera. Alright, let's get to the Bentley over here. The Bentley Continental GT3. Plastic base as well. This one gets a lot of full deco though. Got the metal wing, tail lights, logo, got the headlights, plus all this racing deco. So I guess there's at least that on this one. So alright. A little bit of a noise maker on that one. It's okay. And now we've got the Porsche 935, also a plastic base. No rear lights or anything on this. There's a metal wing though. And these cool style wheels, at least. And the headlights aren't much. Number 9. Kind of a underwhelming Porsche casting. This is okay. And we'll go with this Lancia next. Lancia Delta Integrale. And this kind of a nice green on this. Plastic base as well. Some good front detail on there. Just got the racing deco on the side door there. Michelin Man. And we do have some tail lights back there. This ain't too bad. And then lastly we have the Volvo 240 Drift Wagon. And it's got the little pupper dogs in the back there. Hopefully they don't go flying up while you're drifting. Volvo, got the tail lights. You got the see-through roof. And got like the inserted headlights. Oh, it's definitely not the window piece, so that's kind of cool. This is nice. I like this one. I think this is the best one of this set. Fortunately, they're all plastic based, so yeah, paying the full retail, the 20-something bucks at like the Hobby Lobby or the bookstore. And I definitely wouldn't have bought it there, but for Ross for $6, much better deal. But some of these are a little, I go with Volvo, and so Volvo number 1. I like Porsche, but this one just, I don't know. I'll go Bentley next. Bentley actually looks pretty good. And then, actually I like the Lancia a little better than the Porsche. And these two don't really fit the set so much, but the Alpha is definitely better than the Gemera. Yeah, that's what my opinion. But yeah, so and then I'm gonna put them back in the little slots on here. And I'll put it back in the box. That's a cool thing you can do at least. Boom. And put it right back inside. And boom, right back into display. So yeah, there you have that set right there. So yeah, if I wanted to get this set, I would definitely try to find it at Ross for the discounted price. Anyways, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.